Eric, he's here. He's here.
Well, really? Oh my god, I've been waiting for this like all year.
Right, exactly. The mail person. He brought the battery that we need for the hackathon project.
Oh, right. You interrupted my eggnog for that?
Well, I mean, generally, I find eggnog disrupting enough on its own. I mean, did I ever tell you about the time?
Okay. Look, Nick, people!
Oh, welcome everybody to our little winter holiday home. It's amazing what you can find on Airbnb. I mean, admittedly, we've got to share it, but it's just some elderly man and his wife.
Yeah, and those little, pointy-eared fellows.
Oh, yeah, and the funny-looking horses with the weird horns.
Yeah. Oh, but tell them about the hackathon, Nick.
Oh, yes. Well, we'd like to welcome you to the HashiCraft Holiday Hackstravaganza.
Wow. How many takes did it take you to say that?
Believe it or not, Eric, legitimately one.
Wow.
So, anyway, gather your fellow tinkerers, kids, partner, or friends, and use your creativity to showcase one or more of the HashiCorp products in, a creative or an unexpected way.
But Nick, what if my partner is my friend?
Well, I mean, you've either got to bring your partner or your friends. You're just going to have to choose.
Oh, all right. So how do we enter this hackathon?
To enter, form a team of up to 4 people and register it by creating a topic in the HashiCraft Holidays. I couldn't say that the second time round, though. What did we call this thing? The HashiCraft Holidays Hackstravaganza. Who came up with that? Was that you?
No, you.
Okay, right.
Yeah, and the projects need to be completed before January 4th. And you can do that by creating a post under your team topic containing a video showing off your creation and explaining what you've built, why you've built it, and what's so cool about it.
And for more details, head over to HashiCraft Holidays Hackstravaganza category on discuss.hashicorp.com. Why do I have to keep saying that? I mean, have you ever tried to say HashiCorp, Hackstravaganza?
Well, you came up with the name, Nick. We're stuck with it now. So what are we building ourselves then?
Well, I thought what we would do is we would build a Terraform provider to control this drone here.
Oh, wow. That looks neat.
Yeah.
But how is that like practical in any way, Nick? Like,
I mean, it doesn't have to be practical, Eric. I just want to learn how to build a Terraform provider, play around with this drone, and hang out with my friends.
Oh, all right. Fair point then.
Let me show you what I've got so far. Terraform apply.
Nick.
Okay.
We better go.
Yeah, go. Cool. Can you put the tree out?
We might need to.
Oh my god, the whole place is on fire now. Can you? Bucket, water.